doodling today. Okay, now for today, you can, for now, just use a pencil. Go ahead with the pencil. Don't worry about the things. So let's start. So everybody take your ruler, order onto your sheet. Okay, you don't have to measure anything. कुछ measure नहीं करना. Just take your ruler, your sheet, your pencil, and just start drawing a border to your sheet. Make sure your border is equal on all four sides. Okay, don't let that happen that it's not equal. Let that be unequal on any of the sides. Okay. Now it's now we'll start some doodling. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll start from this bottom part first. Okay. I'm starting from the bottom part, bottom right part. And what we'll do is we'll just first draw a house. Okay, now for that, what I'll do is starting from somewhere here, I'll just draw. Okay, now what I've done, I have just drawn the top of that house like this. I have kept my pencil lines dark enough, but you please draw it lightly so that the pencil lines don't show up later. Okay, now I'll just draw this. So this is how we generally draw the house. Now we'll just draw a door to it with the two knobs like this. Now giving some nice detailings here. Okay, for this house and all, you don't have to go specifically with the ruler and all. Just go freehand, okay? Just you don't have to work with the scale. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Just go freehand. जैसे बन रहा है बनाते जाओ. No problem if the line is not straight. No problem अगर वो यहाँ से थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो गया. कोई problem नहीं. Yeah? Okay. Now coming back to this. We'll be filling the extra spaces later, so don't worry about the space what is left. Okay, just keep on drawing what I am drawing for now. Now, once we are done with this house here, the hut here, now to the left of it, we'll be drawing a fence here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just draw a this shape. So what I did, I started from the border, from the left border, and I continued till here. I am not touching it to the house here. Okay. Now into this, what I'll do is I'll just make this is how the fence looks like. If you have a space of four, draw four. If you have a space of only two, go with the two. If you have a space of three, go with three. Now we'll draw a kid here. Okay, so what I'll do, that kid is standing behind this fence. What I'll do is I'll just for the face, I'm just drawing this U kind of shape. Now what I'll do is I'll just draw a tiny arc here. This is the neck. Okay. Now to the right, I'll just draw the hand. Now just go where till and just end it here. This is the t-shirt of that kid. Now to the bottom part, this is where this kid is wearing the shorts. So I'm just drawing the shorts here like this and the legs like this. Now for the hand, what I'll do is I'll just go simple and then for the hand we'll go simple. Doodling is all about doing simple things. Now once we are done with this, let's do some things in the give some detailings in the face here. So what I'll do for the hair of this, I'll just give some here like this and I'll just go like this. And for this part, I'll go somewhat here like this. Into this, I'll just give some. This is looking like as if there are some hair strands. And okay, I'll miss this ear of this. Now, for the eyes, just draw the inverted U. Now here, I'll just add a heart here, and that's it. I'll just start from here, and we'll be just drawing some grass kind of part here. These bushes, tiny bushes. Just start from the left side, continue till the right part. Now what I we'll do, we'll draw a tree here. Okay, I'll draw a tree here. So what I'm doing is I'm starting from here. Now the way we do the tree, okay, for the leaves part. So just start doing it. Now what I'll do, starting from here, just इसके around this tree that we have drawn. ठीक है? We'll be drawing what I would call like an enclosure kind of thing. ऐसे इसको cover करना है. So what I'll do like this. ठीक है? So doing a double line to this. Now into this space that we have got, what I'll do is I'll just create some like this. And here I'll just draw two hearts. So let's continue now to the left top part. The top left part, what I do, I just draw a cloud here. So what I'm doing, I'm just drawing a cloud here and some drops out of that cloud like this. Okay, now let's come to the right part. Top right. Left हमने कर लिया. Let's come to the right part. ठीक है, coming to the right part, we'll draw a sun here. So what I'll do is drawing a semicircle kind of shape here. Okay, and then for the sun rays, you just have to do something like this. You can add the eye and the mouth here. Now the space that is left. Acha, let me just zoom it out so that you can see my full sheet now. See, okay, this is my full sheet. Now if you can see, there is some space here and a tiny bit space is left here, if you can see. Okay, so we fill that up. Now wherever you have this space, just add one or two hearts you can draw. So I'm adding hearts on the top. So we went freehand for this. No ruler, nothing. जैसा हो रहा है, it's fine. Even it would be possible कि आपके पास इतना space रह गया है यहाँ पे that you have a space of 3 to 4 hearts. Go ahead with it. Totally fine. Okay. So first, I'll start from this bottom part. Okay. I'm just zooming it in so that it's more clear. Okay. Now I'll start with these bushes that we have drawn. Okay. So I'm just drawing the bushes first. Just trace the bushes that you have created. Now what we have to do is this border that we drew now with the ruler. Now we'll be going with the hand. So we'll go freehand for it. Okay? So I'm starting from one point. No problem if it is not coming straight. No problem. Okay? Later, if you want, you can add some colors into it because you have all the sketch ready with you. You can color according to the things that we have drawn.